Automated workflow agents in Manus AI. One of Manus AI's most powerful features is automated workflow agents, systems that handle multi-step processes from start to finish automatically and reliably. So what exactly are automated workflow agents? Let me break this down for you clearly. What are they? Autonomous workflow agents are smart assistants that handle tasks automatically from start to finish without needing constant human input. Think of them as your always-on team members who execute complex processes while you focus on strategy. How do they work? Workflow agents operate through 4 key mechanisms. Follow clear instructions. You define the workflow once with specific steps and conditions. Make decisions using AI. The agent evaluates situations and chooses appropriate actions. Connect different tools and apps. Seamlessly integrate across your technology stack. Learn from actions to improve over time. Patterns are recognized and execution becomes more efficient. The key to successful workflow automation is starting simple. Begin with one well-defined process, get it working reliably, then gradually add complexity and additional workflows. And remember, workflows free you from repetitive execution, but you should still review outputs periodically. Check reports, verify quality, and make adjustments as needed. Think of it as management oversight rather than hands-on execution. With Manus AI's workflow, agents automate multi-step tasks seamlessly, ensuring reliable end-to-end execution for diverse business needs. Even with clear prompts and well-defined workflows, you'll occasionally encounter issues. Let's talk about common problems and how to resolve them quickly so you can keep your automation running smoothly. Here are the most common issues users face, along with quick fixes and practical tips. Common issues can be the workflow not starting, or your scheduled workflow not executing at the specified time. Quick fixes include checking that the workflow is actually activated and not just saved as a draft, and verifying that the time zone settings are correct for 9 a.m. In your time zone or in coordinated universal time, confirm that you have enough credits for the workflow to run. Check the trigger conditions. Are they set up correctly? Another issue can be the agent not responding. The task starts but never completes, or you see timeout errors. Quick fixes include checking if you're in quality mode on a complex task. These can take 15 to 20 minutes. Break large tasks into smaller chunks. Instead of analyzing 50,000 rows, try doing them in batches. Verify that file uploads are complete and not corrupted. Check your internet connection. Interruptions can cause timeouts. Another common issue is errors in data processing. The task completes, but the output is incorrect. It has missing data or contains errors. Quick fixes include checking your input data format. Is it clean and consistent? Check for special characters or encoding issues. This is common when dealing with international data. Verify column names if you're working with spreadsheets. Manus AI uses these as references. Verify column names if you're working with spreadsheets. Manus AI uses these as references. Make sure date formats are clearly specified. MND versus DDMMY. Tips for prevention. Check if the agent is properly connected to tools and verify that integrations are active. Review workflow settings for mistakes and double-check trigger conditions and parameters. Look for recent updates or changes. Platform updates may require workflow adjustments. Restart the agent or workflow. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary issues. Check the logs for error details. Execution logs show exactly where problems happen. Use built-in help or support channels. Take advantage of documentation and community resources. Beyond fixing specific issues, here are some strategies for continuous improvement. Strategy 1. Iterative refinement. Don't expect perfect results on your first try. Use the FICO. Run the initial task with a basic prompt. Review the output and identify any gaps. Refine the prompt to address those gaps. Run it again and compare the results. Repeat until you're satisfied. Save your refined prompts as templates for future use. Another tip is to review logs regularly. Manus AI keeps detailed execution logs. Review these weekly to spot tasks that keep failing or need prompt refinement, tasks that are taking an unusually long time or need optimization, error patterns, and systematic issues that need to be addressed. Strategy 3 is to test with small datasets first before running a workflow on 100,000 customer records. Test with 100 records. This helps you verify if the logic is correct. Clearly identify edge cases. Patch errors while they're still easy to fix. Save credits by not processing massive datasets over and over. Another strategy is to create a troubleshooting checklist. Systematize problem-solving for your team. Check if the workflow is activated. Verify that you have enough credits. Review the input data format. Check the execution logs. Test with a smaller dataset. Review the clarity of your prompt. Check for recent platform updates. Most issues are resolved between steps 2 and 4. By troubleshooting systematically, your team becomes self-sufficient. Remember, users can quickly spot and fix common issues and define workflows. For better efficiency and accuracy, troubleshooting is a normal part of automation, and these systematic approaches make problems easy to solve.
If you enjoyed this video, you can enroll in Great Learning Academy for free. Choose from hundreds of courses across multiple domains and earn a certificate of completion along the way. And if you want to take it a step further, you can try Great Learning Academy Pro Plus with a free trial. It provides access to additional premium courses with more advanced content from distinguished faculty, along with features like guided projects, a resume builder, and mock interviews to make your learning journey even richer. Link is in the description.